And a warm welcome, one and all. We're going to Ask Scruff. Bear with me a second. This is for Jay. A little salute to you. Just been on putting some extras in. Now, if you haven't seen these before, it's just a multitude of questions the guys asked. Most of them are just for the squad, but there is quite a few public like this one. So, come across here. The question is, Jay, when you're monitoring your chart and you want to check every 15 minutes, how do you make sure you don't miss the close? Do you set alarms? Tried watching YouTube music videos, but I get distracted and end up going down a rabbit hole of conspiracy theories, etc. Okay. Really, that comes down to discipline. I treat this as a job. Therefore, I have tasks. I do listen to music videos, as you said in there. Simply because that stops me also tinkering with the charts. But because I'm sitting here and I can see the candle, I've also got the clock in the bottom corner of my computer. I just know what time it is. It's that simple. I sit, if I'm going to monitor a 15-minute chart, because a chart has told me it's ready, I will sit here for the hour, which is 4 15-minute closes, and I'll wait for the 15-minute close. So I'll drop a music video on, I'll listen, I'll glance at the clock, see where the candle is. I'm also glancing at the chart at the same time. And then that's it. When the candle comes to close, then I can just pull the chart back over the top of the music video I'm looking at, have a look at it, see if I'm happy with the situation. If it's not, I'll shut the chart back down again and then play chess, do whatever it is I'm doing, and then carry on, and I'll do that. But if the chart said no go, nothing to be done for this hour, and I go downstairs, I make certain I've got the time with me, and I'll look at the clock. I guess it's just down to discipline and routines. So that's how I do it, but this is my job, so it's like anything else. If you're at a job, you're at your desk and you do your tasks, rather than the make-believe thing that you see on Instagram where you just spend a couple of minutes and you make a fortune. No, there's a lot of work goes involved into this. And if you're not prepared to do the work, well, basically you shouldn't be doing the job. That's the same in any industry, I guess. But that's how I do it. I do it because I'm focused on the job and I don't get distracted. Catch you soon.